Post ako ng post, walang likes, walang benta, what's wrong? Or maybe ang nagla-like is a friend or a family member na hindi naman bumibili sa'yo, right? Hi everyone, Adelaine here. Welcome to my video, the place for entrepreneurs, marketers, and personal brands. Number one is maybe you are in the wrong platform. Maybe your audience is not on Facebook. Maybe it's on Instagram. Maybe buhos ng energy on Instagram pero nasa Facebook sila, or the other way around. Now, it depends. You have to find your target market specifically, na how old they are, ano ang kanilang class, how much are they earning, what specific city they are in, what Facebook groups or what people do they like, and what content type do they like and they share. Number two is maybe you're talking to the wrong people, or maybe you're posting photos of what you sell pero ang nagla-like is mga family and friends mo lang. So basically, they are not specifically your market. You have to itemize kung what type of people are they. Are they men? Are they women? Are they what certain age bracket they are? What interests them? Is it makeup? Is it artists? Mga si Heart Evangelista ba? Or si Angel Locsin? Whoever. Right? So you have to know all of that. Number three is maybe your branding and messaging is unclear. Maybe you're just posting photos for the sake of selling. Now, that's not how it should be. That's not the only way that it should be because nobody likes being sold to. Maybe you should change your content. Maybe you should think, what kind of brand do I want to represent for my business? You can post content that are educational, give some information for them, like how you make the product, how you use the product, the benefits and features of using the product. Number two is share. You can share a process, some BTS on how you package the product or how you make the product. Number three is results. Show results, show testimony, show the people what will happen if they support you. So to summarize, the three mistakes are you may be in the wrong platform, you may be talking to the wrong people, and maybe your brand and messaging is unclear. Now, question for you is what are you going to post to increase your engagement and possibly sales on your Facebook or Instagram page? Let me know in the comments section.